China, Russia, Pakistan and Iran must exert positive influence to stabilize situation in Afghanistan. As important neighbors of Afghanistan and influential countries in the region, China, Russia, Pakistan and Iran need to strengthen communication and coordination, make unanimous voices, exert positive influence and play a constructive role in promoting the smooth transition of the situation in Afghanistan, Chinese State Councilor and Foreign Minister Wang Yi said with senior officials from Russia, Pakistan and Iran at an informal meeting on Afghanistan in the Tajik capital of Dushanbe on Thursday. Countries in the region expect the new Afghan government to be inclusive, anti-terrorist, and friendly to neighbors. Wang made 5 proposals on the next stage coordination on the Afghan issue, including urging the U.S. to perform its duties to provide economic and humanitarian assistance to Afghanistan, contacting and guiding Afghanistan to form an inclusive political structure and implement moderate domestic and foreign policies and respect the basic rights of ethnic minorities, women and children, help the country to integrate itself into regional economic cooperation and connectivity networks, and achieve economic development and prevent spillover of security risks. The informal meeting was also attended by Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov, Pakistani Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi and Assistant to Iranian Foreign Minister Sayed Rasul Musavi. In a talk with Russian counterpart Sergei Lavrov in Dushanbe, Wang said that China is ready to strengthen coordination with Russia to jointly handle the issue of Afghanistan, urge US-led Western countries to shoulder their responsibility and jointly safeguard regional peace and stability.
If you haven't done yet, please subscribe our channel.